Hi, good afternoon, guys, and welcome again to the Island Gardeners. Today we're here with Mr. Young, and he's sharing with us his lovely vegetable garden here that he recently started, and he's actually harvesting quite a good amount of items here for a very young garden. So, Mr. Young, give us an idea of your garden and why you started it.
Well, I started my garden. I'm about to retire, and I need something to do. So I looked and I created this here for me to get in the morning and in the afternoon and things. I like to see things grow,
Yes.
and this is why I put it there. It helps me when I wake in the morning to come out. Instead of going to work, I work here.
Yes.
I just started, and I'm sure down the road I will have it more.
Okay, well, you definitely seem to have a green thumb. Tell us a little bit about what you have. How long ago have you started this garden?
This is what was about 2 months ago.
2 months.
Yeah,
And you have peppers pushing out so much.
2 months.
Okras,
Okras,
pumpkin,
pumpkins. Yeah, 2 months ago.
tomato crop almost finished.
So we
you
have
get some tomatoes.
so
you
we
have
have
to seed.
tomatoes. Yeah, so you have tomatoes. We have okra
Peppers.
and peppers, and that
Peas.
pumpkin,
Yeah.
Pigeon peas.
pigeon peas.
Look at this, is an onion or scallion.
Oh wow, already.
Yeah, having seeds.
So what are some of the other things you're planning on planting?
I'm planning to plant a garden with a seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
One whole section we will have everything to season your pots.
Okay.
And
So like your thyme, your
thyme,
scallion, turmeric.
scallion, turmeric, and all that. This is gonna be one section.
Plus you have some ginger here also.
Yeah, we have ginger here. You know, it's there. We have okra.
This is the ginger.
Right
And see
there.
some more ginger over there. I got turmeric.
So a lot of people believe they can't start a garden, they don't have enough space. But tell us how how did you build this?
Well, I went to
Loaves.
Lowe's. I saw some blocks, and it came in my eye that if I put lumber in between that and create a garden, a raised garden, it will work. So I tried. This is the first phase. These two here is the first phase. Now, based on what I see here, I'm going to go all the way down there,
Oh, nice.
and we're going to put everything that we eat here.
Yeah, some callaloo and some
Callaloo,
pak
pak choy, all the vegetables that you need.
cabbages in the winter. And
Everything.
So we can definitely say it's not something that you need a whole big yard to do.
No, no, no.
You take a
Right
few
here.
blocks from Home Depot, some wood, and some dirt,
That.
right?
Yeah.
so question, Mr. Young.
Yeah.
I see you have some eggshells here. Also, people might not know what the eggshells are for. Can you tell us about it?
I was told that Excel has a calcium
Yes.
in it, and it will help the garden to grow. So I'm a chef, so I bring it home sometimes the eggs, and I put it there
Yeah.
just to see.
Yes.
You know?
It definitely is beneficial for the
And
garden.
it definitely works.
Coffee
Just to
beans
see.
as well. Coffee beans,
Coffee-
grounded coffee beans. So if you have
Yeah,
those,
I
you make
do
big
have
pots of
those.
coffee,
It will be
it
coming
also helps, yes.
to help.
Well, I'm telling you, this is amazing. 2 months. And so, guys, if you're looking to start a garden, it doesn't take much. A few blocks, some dirt, and some wood, and you definitely have started your garden. So we want to encourage everyone to, hey, do something, start something, grow something, because, of course, when you eat healthy,
Exactly.
right,
You
and
know
having
what I
your own food, hey, health
There's
is wealth.
nothing nicer than getting out here
Yes.
and you say to yourself, I need some cabbage and some callaloo and something to make a vegetable. You come into your garden and you get a cabbage, you get a callaloo, You
Some
get
okras.
everything, the okras, don't think.
And
No
And you can grow
fertilizer.
your own thyme and scallion. And
Exactly.
tomatoes.
No fertilizer, you know. And it's sweet. It tastes much different. So this is what I want.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for sharing. I can see how proud you are of your garden. And so we're happy to share that. Thank you so much for welcoming us, the Island Gardeners.
Yes.
And if you guys have a garden and you want us to be featured here on the Island Gardeners, let us know. We'd love to see your beautiful garden.
So until next time, please join us again on the Island Gardeners. Take care and walk good.
Bye.
All right.
Good.
Please like, share, and subscribe.